So let's say enter. Just select XYZ as full name from dual. We'll start from the basic. Okay. Select. Okay. From you bring in down and write as a full name. Comma, you give comma. Now just count the substring how you did. Just do that one manually. Count and do it. First name, middle name, last name. Count this one and write it. Run it, just run it one by one. Double quote. Run it. Perfect. Now do the second name, middle name, comma, enter. Run it. See, 2 means what? Space. Correct. Give comma after middle name. Perfect. So by counting, you can do it 3 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now, enter. First, try to find the position of first space. Write the query to find the position of the first space. you are going to find the position of the space. So you have to give no, you have to give space, not one. Single quote, space, single quote. Whatever you are going to find, you have to write that one first. Then comma. No, in string means you have to find the space from where it will start searching from the beginning. That means 1, comma 1, comma first space. That means 1. You can give position of the first space. Run it. So it's number 2. So second position is the first space. Now find the second space, position of the second space, comma. You can give comma and write here as a position of the first space. So here you have given 3, comma 1. No, that's it. 2 spaces are there, right? So no need to do another one. Okay. So 3. See, 3 may be changed. Okay. For here it is 3. For somewhere it may be 5. So 3 is not a constant. So you can write 1. Instead of 1, 3 you write 1. It will start searching from the beginning, but second space. Second 1, comma 2. 1, comma 1 means start from the beginning, first space. 1, comma 2 means start from the beginning, second space. Now run it. Okay. Now till here it is fine. Now how to find the length of the string? Total length. Comma, enter. How to find length? length. Length is a built-in function. Right, length, length. Within bracket, single quote, x, y, z. Bracket close. Is length of string. So this is the total length. Now this thing we are going to use for our query. So you have to use substring, you have to use instring, you have to use length. Now let's write one by one. Okay, the above query you copy. Okay. Above query you copy, and paste it below that. Correct. Now here substring of 1, comma 1. So substring of, see how to find the first name. First name means you start searching from the beginning till the before space. Before space means first of all you have to find the first space, then -1, right? Now run that first space query. Here the scroll down, you just okay. So you will getting the first space as a 2, but we want 1, right? Now here you give -1. In the in string, after before as, no, not there. After the closing bracket, give -1. So it will coming 2. Total is coming 2, then -1. That's it. Run it. No, whole, no, not there. Whole on bracket won't be there. Remove that bracket. If you want to give the bracket, then before in string you give the bracket, opening bracket, because whole thing -1. Now run it. Now it is giving 1. So the total thing, copy and paste it there. That in string -1, you copy that. No, not from there. No, not the ls. From in string to -1 till -1. Copy. So you are getting here 1. So just replace 1 by this query. Come down. Perfect. Paste it. Done. Now run it. So you are getting X. Now we have to work for the middle name now. So how to get 3? 3, 1. 1 means what? 3, 1 means first space, right?
Yes, sir.
3, 1. No, that is not 3, 1. Middle name is 1, 2.
No, it starts from 3 and.
No. That's what I'm telling. Here it is 3, right? Somewhere it may be 5, somewhere maybe it is 10. So always start from the beginning.
Yes.
So 1,
Here.
instead of 3, write 1, 2. No. That is okay. That the above one is 1, 2, not below. Below one is correct. Right? 3, 1, not an issue. Okay. 3, 1 only. So now how to replace 3? 3 means what? The position 3. How to find the position 3? Space plus 1. Okay. The first space plus 1. Got it? No. Not second space. Wait. In the first name we have what I have given? In string -1, right? The whole thing copy, instead of -1, give +1. That's it. The first space is what? 2, right?
-1. Yes.
No, now you have give now give 2 plus 1. Give +1. Copy that thing. No, wait. Copy the whole thing. That in string -1, copy that thing. So in copy and paste it instead of 3. Instead of 3, copy that, paste it there. Now instead of minus, give plus. So it will come as a +1. So 2 plus 1, 3, right? That means first space +1.
Okay.
After that, what you have to do? Now 1.
+9.
So +1. So this is nothing but you are getting 3. Now how to get 1? One means what?
We are getting 5.
1 means what?
1 means
The
this
length of the middle character, right?
yes.
So length of the middle character is nothing but your 1. So how to find that? That means how to find the middle name, I mean length. Now it is 1, right? So how to get that y? How to get that y? Y means how many
So
length?
this query is for getting Z.
No, correct. But see, you are writing substring of xyz 3, 1. Okay, 3, 1. You are getting 3, 1, right? Why you are giving 3, 1?
Now,
Yeah, why we are getting 3, 1?
because it is the starting position of y is 3 and we need one character, so 3 comma 1.
Correct. So here it is 1 character, but let's say there are 5 characters. So you have to write 5, right?
Yes, 5.
So that is again changeable. I mean that is not fixed one. So how to
Okay.
do that? Tell me some logic. So here in the middle name, what I'm doing, substring of xyz, then in string of this plus 1. That means the first space plus 1 till how many character I have to find? The first I have to find the second space minus first space. Okay, that I'm doing. So we'll get the how many character are there in the middle one. So this is the generalized query. Clear?
Yes.
Now do the last one. Now do the last one. How to get the
We
last
can
one?
give minus 1 if we give.
What happened? So first you have to find the second space plus 1, right?
Yes.
Then length means till end. So instead of that 5, you write the second space plus 1. Instead of 5, write the second space plus 1. How to find the second space? That one, 1, 2. That plus 1. That is the nothing but second space plus 1. Don't before s. No, instead of 5, you write plus 1. Remove that s. There you write plus 1. Instead of s, write plus 1. Write plus 1. 1, 2 bracket close plus 1. So you will get this means in string of this means second space plus 1. So it will come to the z. Now I have to tell how many characters are there. That one means one character is there. So instead of that one, I can write length of the string, so that till end it will go. Now write length of the string. Instead of one, no. Instead of that last, instead of last one, right? You type it length, length, within bracket x, y, z. That's it. Bracket close. I think you have missed one more bracket. For substring, whole bracket will be there. Give at the end one more bracket.
Okay.
Now change XYZ to any name. Just let's try. Instead of XYZ, you write any other name, whatever, how many length you want. Copy and paste it in wherever XYZ is there. Drag little bit left side. Okay. Now run it. Coming, right? Yeah. So now this is the generalized one. Whatever name you will give, it will divide into first name, middle name, and last name. This is the generalized query. You understood how the query is written?
Yes.
Yeah. So here you have to use in string. The middle name is little bit complex, but the logic is you have to find like this.
For middle name, we are doing it like finding the first one. We are minusing the two spaces, right? So
Yes.
first space and second space, then we'll get the middle name.
Middle character, yes. So now substring of this comma this. So that's why it is a little bit complex. Okay. So this is how you can find the different queries, but at least you should have all the built-in functions in. You should remember so that you can know where to use, what to use, and all these things. Try to write manually, count it, and do it. Then try to implement generalize it, because in our coding we want a generalized one. So whatever I can pass, it should work. It's not that it should be for particular name. Because yeah, let's say the requirement comes and I want whatever the name is, it should divide into 3 different names. So you have to generalize and think of something so that don't hard code any values.
Yes.
So that is the thing, nothing else. Okay, then all the best, and we'll stop here.
Thank you, sir.